I was really close completing this AMG GTR model, but AMG released a new one, and it's beautiful. So go play with the configurator and choose your colors, because we are going to be printing this. Yes. This is a 1/10 scale 2024 AMG GT63 inspired 3D printed RC car, or a display model, whichever you want. And here are the parts. I used the generic TPU filament for the tires and printed them on an Ender 3S1. And for the rest of the parts, I used Isan PLA Plus and printed them with a Bamboo Lab P1S. I tried to separate the parts by color so you don't have to paint them. But I painted some small details like roof rails, brake ducts, front grille, headlights, brake discs and calipers to make them pop. But if you really want to paint it, it looks good on blue, red, white, yellow, orange or every other color, to be honest. And especially silver. I used a regular super glue to assemble the parts. This one is pretty permanent for Isan PLA. I also used another CA glue with an accelerant and a slow curing one to make some adjustments if needed. Front fender, door, quarter panel, lower door skin and the side skirt fixed to the middle bracket. Just do a dry fit first before the glue to understand how pieces come together. If you are planning to paint the body, skip the black pieces. And copy and paste for the other side. You can't skip this black piece if you want to paint the body. You either need to mask it or paint it black after. This next step is a little tricky. You have to hold the two sides and the hood together. Hood should lock the two sides and prevent the skew, but they can still rotate inward. You have to push the two sides down to a flat surface and maintain the alignment until the glue cures. For small parts, I suggest printing them with higher quality settings, and for the logo, print it with the highest quality setting your printing can handle. If you want to add some lighting to the headlights and the tail lights, I'll include the step files. With the exhaust assembled, the body is done. I designed a simple display chassis for it. I think this one better to be a display model than an RC car, but it's up to you. I separated the wheels into two so you can print the top part with higher quality settings and less supports. I also printed these rings and glued them to the wheels for the looks. If you have steady hands, you can paint the edge instead. Real car has wider rear tires. Silly me thought it would make a difference in 1/10 scale. It is 1 mm, but it's there. Front and rear wheels and tires are different. Rears are wider. Also, bigger discs and calipers are for the front and smaller ones are for the rear. And with these last screws, it's done. Now, for the RC version, we will use DKS Basic. You just need to print the white pieces to adapt the chassis to the body. These are front frame, front bars, front magnet attachments, rear axle, and rear magnet attachments. If you need detailed instructions for the chassis assembly, go check the original video. So there you have it. It turns out better than I expected. If you decide to print one for yourself, please share your make. I'd love to see them. And this has some competition. So see you in the next one. Bye.